down. And so there you go. A little bit harder to make that popping noise. There you go. And then turn the desk over and all that good stuff. Now, that's what I used to do. So this is a cluster right here. This is a mess. So first thing you want to do is rewrite everything and get it all on the same floor. Because right now you've got two different floors, and that's not going to help you. So the antiderivative of 1 and 4, from 1 to 4 of y to the 1/2 minus y over y squared dy. Antiderivative of 1 to 4 of y to the -2 times y to the 1/2 minus y dy. And now you're going to distribute this. And that's going to give you 1 to 4 of -4/2 plus 1/2 is what?
-3/2.
-3/2. Minus
Y to 0.
-2 plus 1 is what? Taking
Y to -1.
Y to the -1 dy. So now let's take this over here. And let's go ahead and take the derivative, antiderivative, y to the -3/2 plus 2/2 over -3/2 plus 2/2 minus y to the -1 plus 1 over -1 plus 1. Is that right?
That's what I got.
Okay. Evaluated at 4 and 1. So now we got to simplify all that mess. What's -3/2 plus 2/2?
Negative.
-1/2 over -1/2 minus y to the 0 is what? 1 over what? 0?
No, it's ln of y.
Something's not.
It's natural log of, no, like when you take an antiderivative of y to the -1.
1 over, yes, exactly. I was doing the power rule. I'm sorry. That would be the natural log of y, because du over u. You're right. This is du over u. Rewrite this as 1 over y, and that du over u. Thank you. And bring this 1/2 up. Let me erase this right quick because I don't want anybody to get confused. And that's 1 over y dy, which gives us that. And that'll be -2. Actually, what would be best if you brought that downstairs, right? So that'd be -2 over y to the 1/2. Does that sound good? Or the square root of y minus the natural log of y evaluated at 1 and 4. And the square root of 4 is 2, so that'd be -1 and -2. So it's not, except for the natural log, this is pretty easy. Now, where is your algebra? Your calculus is right here, but the rest of it is all algebra. Okay, now that pretty much takes us through whatever chapter this is, section. I'm sorry, let me get to the top of the page. The other page, bring this down. Well, they're supposed to put the daggum section somewhere on the page, but I guess they don't. Somebody tell me what page 404, what section that is. Let me get to the previous page, maybe I'll see it there. 5.4. So, right now, and I'll just put this on the board where everybody can see it on video. Right now, we've covered review of derivatives, and that covers chapter 3. I want to say 3.8 through 4.5 or 4.6. Somebody tell me, it's chapter 3, isn't it, limits?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so I think it's like 3.9 or something, 8 or 9, up to, I think it's around 4.5. That's your derivatives. Now, what is the limit? That's the difference question, where you have to apply the limit as h approaches 0 and do the difference quotient. And I do put that on the test. I will put that on the test. And then antiderivative. The antiderivative is 5.1 so far through 5.4. So far. Okay, so that's where we are at right now. I will post homework on this, and that's what y'all need to work on. These 2 homeworks y'all need to work on over the weekend. Okay? Because hopefully we can get started on the new material next week. That means I would like to give y'all a review test, and that'll give y'all another grade to help you out, you know, because it should be fairly simple, because it's a review over what you already know. Capiche? Alright, let me pull the roll up, and then y'all can skedaddle. Looks like everybody's here except Mr. Fowler. How many people we got? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many people have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Mr. Fowler's the only one not here. The rest of y'all are here. Y'all have a good day. Good weekend. I'll go ahead and post the homework in the next few minutes, okay? All right. Have